I'm going to walk out this pizza, walk out. Everything's setting up. Graduation is soon, so I'm gonna walk. So we have one graduation. So there's a first aid, coffee house, food. Awesome, awesome setup. So there's the men's bathroom, and there's the female bathroom around here. We have the gifts are over there. Whew, the flowers, the gift. Oh, awesome. And the women's female bathroom is here. Wow, this is so nice. Hi, setup is so nice. And we have two men. We have restroom for wheelchair. Oh wow, so nice, guys. It is so nice. Students and parents all over taking pictures. I should go over and look at these beautiful. Ah, what's your mask? Hi, graduation buddy. Oh, it's so cute. Graduation. Hey, so cute. Let me go and look at these gifts and see how these gifts going over here. So there is live plants, teddy bears. Whew, might get lit down. Whew, these are cute. I'm good. You're selling? Oh, wow. 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 Ideas, guys. Ideas. Wow. No, I'm just walking and doing a little video and just looking. Yeah. But this is awesome. Woo, fresh plant smells so good. Wow. It smells really good. Let me see if I can take a. Wow. So beautiful. I'm not gonna carry no down another graduation site, guys. So you guys see the bathroom there. Bathroom set up nicely. Everything is nicely done. The chairs. We're praying for sunshine. Guys, welcome in. So I wanted to come around here because I'm not gonna see much when the ceremony starts because I'm gonna be working. So Mr. let me come and see what's going on. But as far as the eyes can see, there are chairs everywhere. Chairs everywhere. Cheers everywhere. Cheers. Picture. Take up this. Woo. Cheers everywhere. Everywhere. And the stage is down there. Oh. See the river there? The river is behind. It is so still. Beautiful. Graduation setting. We are all over here too for graduation settings. Beautiful, nice place. Ooh, beautiful, guys. So beautiful. Yeah. So beautiful. Wow. So you're cordoned off from going over. So beautiful. Wow, congratulations. Oh, that's a live band. That's not music. I don't think it's music. It's a live band. I think it's a live band. It's not music. Yeah, it's live band. Graduation starting soon for the graduates, the master's program. Yeah, undergraduate is tomorrow. Woo! Imagine myself being up that stage in a couple of years. Yay! Graduating with my master's. Yeah. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome in, welcome in. Beautiful music. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh wow, look guys. Too big screen. Yeah. So nice. And the river is behind you. Can you imagine those pictures this evening? Gorgeous. Beautiful. It's so nice after you have gone to school and you're finished and it's graduating. It's a good feeling. I've been there. I've been there. Such a good feeling. It's a relief. It's such a relief. Yeah. So I can imagine what these students are feeling real relief and excited to walk across the stage and collect the diploma. Yeah, it's beautiful. So everywhere is cordoned off. So all that place, I can still walk go down there, but yeah, so beautiful. So beautiful. I'm glad I came around here today. Yesterday it was raining. I couldn't get to come, but I get to come today. Yeah. I don't have a blouse like that. That's how it must wear. And I was thinking it's too big. Yeah. Everywhere. Let's see what's selling over here. Maybe it's the t-shirts. T-shirts. Oh, it's from the bookstore. So it's t-shirts selling. Yeah. Security all over. Yeah, that t-shirt looks like the one I'm wearing. Hi.
Hi. No, 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 it's just safety. No.
She's just joking, security.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just looking at the beauty of everything. On my
The
lunch
beauty of
break.
everything.
Yeah, I'm on my lunch break, so I said, let's do this.
So, yeah.
Okay, take care.
Bye, hon.
Okay. Yeah, they're serious, guys. Serious t-shirts over there. Yeah, serious about safety. That's a plane. That's a plane. That's a plane. Look at the. I'm going to show you the water from up here. I'm on the hill, so I'm gonna show you the water. I might take a picture of the water too. I'm gonna take a picture, guys, of the water. Wait. No, I couldn't take it, but it's cool. I want a video of the water. Security are in the midst, so I can't take it. All right, so yes, I'm gone now. Beautiful. Awesome. Hey, welcome in. Wait, oh, so much people on the live. I'm not seeing likes. Oh, go on. What's going on here? So many persons on my life and no likes. That's not good. It's a beautiful day today. It's a beautiful day, guys. Whew. Mm, that's okay. I'm going around. I'm going around. You stop for me, but I'm going around. I'm not crossing. I'm not crossing. I'm going around. Beautiful setting for the after graduation dinner. Oh, he's letting out somebody. After graduation stuff. Beautiful settings. Security, enough. Whew. So we can't even walk in peace today. You know the roundabout. In and out and in and out and out and in and out. Yeah. Guys, welcome in and like up my live, please. Like, share, and comment. A lot of persons on me now, no likes. Click on the three little dots and you'll see the like button. Just give me a thumbs up, please. Because that's the new WhatsApp. I think that's what causing the problem. Person don't know where to go to like the lives, but click on the three little dots at the top, right hand corner of the live, and you'll go back to where the like button is, and you just like up live, okay? It wasn't bad after all. I did a little walking today. The office was crazy, so I had to take the break. Oh, that's where they're going to do the rehearsal. The lineup for rehearsal. So yes, it's been amazing. It's been amazing, guys. I'm glad I did came out and look at the settings. It's beautiful. The guys them up here suck up tall, you know? Tall. Oh, look at my friend. Look at my friend. Hey, look at my friend jumping and carrying on. It's carrying on. I totally forgot that you guys are on. It was so therapeutic to be videoing and watching the squirrel. It's a little nature. So it gives you a calm and quiet feeling in your body and your soul. Yeah. So guys, I got to run. I've got to run, I got to run, I got to run. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Take care. Have a good weekend. Have a great weekend. Have a awesome weekend. If you're celebrating your birthday, happy birthday. If you're having an anniversary, happy anniversary. Okay. If you have a bereavement, my humblest and simplest and sympathy to you all. Okay. So take care. God bless. Bye.